Nestled in the Ozark Mountains, Branson is a hidden gem known for its vibrant entertainment scene, beautiful outdoor spaces, and family-friendly attractions. From live music shows and thrilling amusement parks to serene lakes and fascinating museums, Branson has a little bit of everything. It's a place where you can experience the charm of a small town with the excitement of a bustling city. Hey there, travel lovers! Welcome to our channel, Travels Highlights. Ready to discover the best spots in Branson, Missouri? Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a full-blown vacation, Branson has something for everyone. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are planning their next adventure, and let's make this journey together. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these incredible places. Number 12. Branson's Promised Land Zoo. Kicking things off at number 12, Branson's Promised Land Zoo is perfect for animal lovers. It's a hands-on zoo where you can feed, pet, and even hold some of the animals. Picture this, you're hand-feeding a kangaroo or cuddling with a baby sloth. But that's not all, how about a chance to walk with lemurs or get up close with a giraffe? The zoo also offers unique animal encounters that bring you face-to-face with exotic wildlife. The drive-through safari is another highlight, allowing you to stay in your car while observing animals roaming freely in a more natural habitat. It's like being on a mini safari without leaving the country. And don't miss the live animal shows, where you can learn fascinating facts about various species from knowledgeable zookeepers. These interactive sessions are both entertaining and educational, making them a hit with kids and adults alike. Number 11. Hollywood Wax Museum. Next up, number 11, the Hollywood Wax Museum. Ever wanted a selfie with your favorite stars? This is the place. From classic icons like Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley to modern-day celebs like Brad Pitt and Jennifer Lawrence, the lifelike wax figures here are perfect for some fun photos. Plus, the museum offers themed areas and props to make your pictures even more memorable. Number 10. Branson Landing. Coming in at number 10, Branson Landing offers a mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment by the waterfront. Imagine strolling along the picturesque boardwalk, checking out cool shops, grabbing a bite at one of the many restaurants, and maybe even catching a live concert at the outdoor amphitheater. At night, the fountain shows with synchronized lights, water, and fire are a must-see. Number 9. Shepherd of the Hills Fish Hatchery. Number 9 on our list is a bit off the beaten path, but totally worth it, Shepherd of the Hills Fish Hatchery. It's educational and scenic, with walking trails and lots of fish to see. The hatchery produces over 1 million rainbow and brown trout each year. You can take a guided tour to learn about the fish breeding process or enjoy the tranquil environment with a walk along the trails that offer stunning views of Lake Tenecamo. Number 8. Titanic Museum. At number 8, we have the Titanic Museum. Step back in time and experience what it was like on the ill-fated ship. With over 400 artifacts, interactive exhibits, and a chilling iceberg room where you can feel the coldness of the iceberg, it's both fascinating and sobering. Each guest receives a boarding pass of an actual Titanic passenger or crew member, making the visit even more personal. Number 7. The Track Family Fun Parks. Zooming in at number 7, the Track Family Fun Parks are all about adrenaline and excitement. With multiple locations in Branson, these parks offer go-karts, bumper boats, laser tag, and mini-golf. The heavy metal high-rise go-kart track, with its towering spirals and steep drops, is a fan favorite. But that's just the beginning. The parks also feature the Skyscraper, a thrilling ride that propels you 150 feet into the air at speeds up to 60 miles per hour, definitely not for the faint of heart. For something a bit more laid back, try out the bumper boats or the classic arcade games. The Track Family Fun Parks are perfect for families or anyone looking to unleash their inner child and have a blast. With so many activities to choose from, you can easily spend an entire day hopping from one exciting attraction to another. Number 6. Silver Dollar City. Number 6 is a big one, Silver Dollar City. This 1880s-themed amusement park has thrilling rides, entertaining shows, and delicious food. From roller coasters like the Time Traveler, the world's steepest, tallest, and fastest spinning coaster, to the Fireman's Landing area for younger kids, there's something for everyone. But it's not just about the rides. Silver Dollar City is also known for its craftsmen and artisans who demonstrate traditional skills like blacksmithing, glassblowing, and pottery making. The park also hosts seasonal festivals, such as the Harvest Festival with its pumpkin nights and the Old Time Christmas Festival, which features over 6.5 million lights and a nightly parade. Add in some mouth-watering treats like cinnamon bread and skillet meals, and you've got a perfect mix of fun and nostalgia. Number 5. Table Rock Lake. Halfway through at number 5, Table Rock Lake is an outdoor paradise. Think boating, fishing, swimming, and picnicking. You can rent a boat or kayak, go for a swim in the clear waters, or just relax on the shore with a picnic. There are also hiking and biking trails around the lake, making it a great spot for outdoor enthusiasts. Plus, the scenic views are perfect for some Instagram-worthy photos. Number 4. Dolly Parton's Stampede. At number 4, we have Dolly Parton's Stampede. It's not just a dinner show, it's an experience. Featuring 32 horses, trick riding, and interactive audience participation, you'll be entertained from start to finish. The 4-course meal includes items like rotisserie chicken, hickory smoked pork loin, and a delicious dessert. It's a feast for your eyes and your taste buds. Number 3. Marvel Cave. Sliding in at number 3, Marvel Cave is a natural wonder right under Silver Dollar City. Take a guided tour and explore the stunning underground formations, including the Cathedral Room, one of the largest cave entrance rooms in the United States. The tour takes you deep into the cave's depths, revealing breathtaking stalactites and stalagmites. It's like stepping into another world, right beneath your feet. But that's not all. Marvel Cave has a rich history dating back to the 16th century when Spanish explorers first discovered it. The cave was originally named Marble Cave due to the shiny limestone walls that resembled marble. In the late 19th century, the cave became a popular tourist attraction, leading to the development of Silver Dollar City above ground. Today, Marvel Cave continues to captivate visitors with its awe-inspiring beauty and historical significance. Plus, the tour guides are full of fascinating stories and facts, making the experience both educational and thrilling. Number 2. Branson Scenic Railway. Coming close to the top at number 2, the Branson Scenic Railway offers a nostalgic train ride through the Ozark Mountains. The 40-mile round trip takes you through lush landscapes, over high trestles, and through tunnels. The train has vintage passenger cars from the 1930s to the 1960s, adding to the charm. It's a relaxing way to see the stunning scenery and learn a bit about the area's history, all while enjoying the comfort of the train. During the ride, you'll hear interesting tidbits about the region's history and see sights that are inaccessible by car. The train also offers special themed rides throughout the year, such as the Polar Express train ride during the holiday season, which is a magical experience for families with young children. The Branson Scenic Railway is not just a trip through the mountains, it's a journey back in time that offers a unique perspective on the natural beauty and rich history of the Ozarks. Number 1. The Showboat Branson Belle. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to the Showboat Branson Belle. This paddle wheel boat combines a scenic cruise with a fantastic show and dinner. The 2-hour cruise on Table Rock Lake includes live entertainment ranging from comedy to music, along with a 3-course meal. The views from the boat are breathtaking, especially at sunset, making it the best of Branson wrapped up in one unforgettable experience. The entertainment aboard the Branson Belle is top-notch, featuring talented performers who put on a lively show that includes music, dancing, and even a bit of comedy. The boat itself is a sight to behold, with its grand Victorian-style design and impressive paddle wheel. As you enjoy your meal and the show, you can take in the panoramic views of the lake and surrounding hills. It's the perfect way to cap off your visit to Branson, offering a blend of relaxation, entertainment, and natural beauty. So there you have it, the top 12 places to visit in Branson, Missouri, in 2024. Each spot offers its own unique charm and excitement. Which one are you most excited to check out? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel highlights. Happy travels!